Okay, so we can't seem to figure out the stupid vending machine, and we want to get a Snickers.
Snickers, yeah. Snickers.
So $1. $1.25.
Yeah. Wait,
Wait, no.
$1.35. $1.45. $1.55.
Okay.
Now give me my food. Quick. Yes.
Whoa, it actually worked.
Oh, just gave me my change back.
Oh,
What the heck?
what?
New coin.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, just peanut M&M. Fine. Bologna, I say. Bologna. Now we gotta get a peanut M&M for my dad.
I'm the artiste at it, Emma.
I suck at it. I know.
And then you gently
Giantly.
glide it in.
Yeah. Such an
Oh,
artist.
oh wait, no, you need a heads up, Emma. Duh.
Duh. Wait, no, just duh. Let's try this one.
You're
Take it.
jamming it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we need another one. And it's $1.50. Sprinkled.
Try another one.
Make sure it's
Cause this one is not gonna work. It's all faded. It won't even go in. Wait.
Oh, come on.
Okay, and then we got this back.
Bull crap.
Try the $10 bill. That's the only way.
Sprinkled there too.
Emma.
Sorry, sprinkled.